Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 4 Acid, Bases, and Salts. Video Part 1, Question number 1. A base used in baking bread is. The base used is that your baking soda, and the formula for the baking soda is NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. So this is in the option A. The first answer will be option A. Question number 2. A synthetic indicator used to test the acid or base is known as. So China rose natural indicator, turmeric natural indicator, litmus is the natural indicator, and methyl orange is your synthetic indicator, which will be as with the acid it will be your red orange, and with the neutral it will be your yellow only, and with the alkaline pH means base it will be yellow only. So second answer will be your option B. Question number 3. An element X reacts with oxygen to form Y, which turns red litmus to blue. Then which of the following is correct? So here red litmus to blue. Red became blue. It means that is the base. Okay? Y turns to Y is your basic oxide. Okay? And X can be your metal. Option X is a metal, Y is the basic oxide. Option C. Third answer is option C. Question number 4. Choose the incorrect statement about acid. Acid have a SAR test, correct? Acid turns blue litmus into red. So we have checked yes. In the last question, we checked yes, blue litmus into red. Acid have soapy feel. So third one, acid had soapy feel. No, base have soapy feel. ठीक है. Acid are non-corrosive in nature. No, it is corrosive in nature. It can destroy the metal. है ना? Some the strong acid can destroy the metal also. So that's why third and fourth is not correct. The fourth answer will be option D. Question number 5. Which of the following indicator gives magenta or dark pink color in acidic solution? So China rose, you can see in the acidic solution, it gives you the dark magenta. And with the basic solution, it is your green color. That's why option C will be the correct answer. The fifth answer is option C. Question number 6. Which one of the following is a weak acid? So HNO3, that is your nitric acid, strong acid, HCl, nitric acid, strong acid, H2SO4, the strongest acid, sulfuric acid. And this is your carbonic acid. The mostly carbonic acids are the weak acids. The sixth answer is option C. Question number 7. A neutralization reaction shows a reaction between. The neutralization reaction means the product will neither be acidic nor be basic. Okay? When we just react acid with base, then we got the salt as a result, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So you can say acid and base. The seventh answer will be your option C. Question number 8. an indicator which is obtained from the association of fungus and algae. So fungus and algae just make the litmus paper. So eighth answer will be option D. Question number 9. Which one of the following match is incorrect? So I have pasted here the indicator chart. You can note down in your notebook. And for this question, you can see methyl orange. So methyl orange after reacting with methyl orange. Okay, now check the phenolphthalein first. The phenolphthalein is here. It is original color is the colorless, and when it comes in the acidic solution it will be colorless only, and with the base it will be pink. So phenolphthalein with the acid pink and colorless. So I think it is opposite. So 2 is incorrect. Litmus, check the litmus. So litmus, the red litmus, red color litmus will become blue with the base red, red, and it will be blue. Correct? It is correct. ठीक है. China rose, you can see here China rose is colorless, original color, and pink and dark pink with the acid. So magenta pink, dark pink means magenta with the acid, and green with the base. So this is also wrong. ठीक है. So ninth answer you can see the wrong one is 2 and 4. This is in the option number B. And for methyl orange, the acid it will be red, and in the base it will be yellow only. You have already seen in the earlier question. So that's why we will just go with the option B. Ninth answer is option. Question number 10. Substances whose solutions do not change the color of any indicator in any way are called. The means the indicator's color will not change. It means those are the neutral substances. So 10th answer will be option C. Question number 11. Which of the following is an organic acid? Acetic acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid, or all of the above? So all three are the organic acid. So we will go with the all of the above. 11th answer is option D. Question number 12. Which one among the following neutralizes acid? MgOH whole 2, magnesium oxide, and here it is sodium bicarbonate. Both are your bases. So base can neutralize acid. HCl is already the hydrochloric acid. It cannot neutralize it. So that's why we will go with option D. So 12th answer is option D. Question number 13. A base contained in calamine solution which neutralizes the acidic liquid of an ant is. So in the ant, which type of base is present? So this is your zinc carbonate, ZnCO3. So 13th answer is will be option B. Question number 14. To make the soil fertile, what a farmer should add to the soil? The farmer should add slaked lime? No. Quick lime? No. Sulfuric acid? No. Definitely no. It will be manure only. So 14th answer will be option D. Question number 15. Sodium hydroxide combined with hydrochloric acid to form, so this is your sodium hydroxide, this is your sodium hydroxide, this is your hydrochloric acid, and when it mixes with each other it will form salt, NaCl, sodium chloride, and water. So sodium chloride is in the option B. The 15th answer will be option B. Question number 16. Strong acid among the following is magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium hydroxide is the weak base. Sodium hydrogen bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, this is your basic salt, means basic, it is not the acid. Potassium hydroxide, it is your base only, and sodium hydroxide, it is also your base only. So that's why none of the above, no one is acid here. तो 16th answer is option E. Question number 17. Acid produced by some ants are the formic acid. Okay, so 17th answer is C. Question number 18. Ammonium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide tastes dash because they are dash in nature. So tastes are or bitter. So ammonium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide are basic in nature. So its taste will be bitter only. Option B will be the correct answer. 18th answer is option B. Question number 19. Match the following. So oxalic acid, acetic acid, tartaric acid and lactic acid. So oxalic acid will match with your spinach. Acetic acid, it is your tamarind, vinegar. Tartaric is the tamarind and lactic is your curd. ठीक है? तो 19th answer is 1C, 1C, 2D, 3B and 4A. It is in the option number C. So 19th answer is option C. Question number 20. Which of the following statement is correct? A base is a substance that reacts with the acid and neutralizes them. Yes, it is correct. All bases are alkalis? No, all alkalis can be bases, but all bases cannot be alkalis. Because what are alkalis? The water soluble bases are known as alkalis. Okay? But all bases are cannot dissolve in water. So this statement is wrong. A base that is soluble in water is called salt. No, those are called as alkalis. All alkalis are bases. Yes, this is correct. So 1 and 4 is correct. It is in the option number C. The 20th answer will be option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.